First of all, let me formally welcome you to the world of Creamy Crack. So this video is for you that want to transition to relaxing your hair journey. I'm going to give you all the tools that you need in order to have a healthy, relaxed hair journey. So let's jump right into the video, shall we? So let's talk about relaxer, which is ideal, right? This is the first essential thing that you need to transition to being a relaxed girl. So you may want to know if you want to use lye or no lye relaxer. So let's break down the fundamentals and see which one is best for you. When it comes to no lye relaxer, yes, it's more gentle and milder on your hair. One of the cons is that it can make your hair feel a lot drier than you want it to be. So that's something that you should consider. As it pertains to lye relaxer, it's way harsher on your scalp. And if you're not sure what you're doing, you may cause some burn to your scalp, so you have to be more gentle with that one. But for me, I like the lye relaxer more because I feel like I can manipulate that better. For me, the no lye relaxer is more of a professional use because it gives your hair this S-curl before it straightens your hair. So if you don't know what you're doing, you may experience under processed hair and you don't want that. So I would say for me, go with the lye relaxer because you can base your scalp, and what I try not to do is scratch my scalp or irritate my scalp the day before and the day of my relaxer. So those are something to consider. But if you know what you're doing, you can go ahead and use a no lye relaxer by all means. So the relaxer that I'm using for the past 2 years is the Dark and Lovely Triple Nourish Silk Clean Relaxer. And what I like about this one is that, to me, I have been relaxing my hair for a long time. And this is the best relaxer I have ever encountered because it leaves my hair super soft and, as it stated, silky. And it's just very nourishing to my hair. And what I like about this is that it comes with a neutralizing shampoo. It does have a protein treatment that you will use before you use the neutralizing shampoo, and also it has, if you like, moisturizer. I'm not particular in moisturizers, if you know me, but that is another video that I will link up here for you to check out on why I don't like moisturizers. But nevertheless, this one does come with the protein treatment, but I like my own protein treatment, which is the Palmer's coconut oil formula. So I tend to use this one every single month. Once when I'm relaxing my hair, and the other month following up after that relaxer. It's imperative for you to use protein treatment because the bonds of your hair practically breaks down. Your hair is not as strong as it used to be once it was natural. So you need to make sure that to prevent breakage in your hair and shedding, you always go in with your protein treatment once every month. And following up, you definitely need a good deep conditioner. Even if you don't use your protein treatment every month, that you only use it once every month, I implore on you to make sure that you deep condition your hair every single week. Make sure you're washing your hair every single week because that is imperative for the best result ever. Because what I tend to find out is that dirty hair sheds more, so you don't want that. Make sure that your hair is washed every single week and deep conditioned. And what I would say also is to invest in a good hooded dryer or a steamer, because whenever you are relaxed, as I stated, your hair needs a lot of moisture, and the heat actually helps to trap that moisture in your hair. It helps to open up your hair to absorb all that moisture. So I would definitely implore on you to get a hooded dryer or a steamer. If you are not trying to invest right now and you want to do that later on down the line, you can most definitely get a hooded bonnet dryer. It's cheaper, it works perfect, but because you're going to do this so much, I would just say get a great one. So what I will implore you to do is get 3 different types of comb, because you'll want one, a fine-tooth comb to part your hair to help to style your hair. Don't try to detangle your hair with this, and if I know that you're doing it, I am personally gonna whoop your butt. Don't do it, okay? Get a fine-tooth comb for helping you to style your hair and also to apply your relaxer. And I'm coming out with a video one day, hopefully soon enough, where I show you how I relax my hair at home. Another one that you need is a medium to comb, which I will call a shampoo comb. I got this one from Conair, and what I do with this one is to detangle my hair just regular every single day, and to help me when I am washing my hair. It does help to really detangle your hair and helps you to eliminate shedding. And another one that you most definitely need is a wide tooth comb, which I'm sure you already know. So this is the one that I have. I forgot where I picked it up. I think I got it either online or Ulta Beauty. I am so not sure, but make sure you get this one, a very great wide tooth comb, and this one in particular to detangle your hair. If you don't get this one, I would say get this one, because trust me, this one does the trick. You most definitely need a shampoo slash detangling comb. So let's talk about something that you most definitely need, and this is a great scissors to trim your hair. Invest into a salon quality scissors, one that is very sharp that can go ahead and trim your ends, and you need to trim your ends every single 2 months. What I would do is whenever I relax my hair every 2 months, I will go in and trim my ends. And this one, I picked it up from Sally Beauty. I can never forget, and I went to Sally Beauty to get a good scissors. My friend and I, she's my very close family friend, hairstylist, that she specialized in relaxed hair for quite some time, and she's the one that went with me to pick up a good scissors. And I was going for something a little bit mediocre. It was for like 20 bucks or less. She's like, and she said, go with this one. I think it was like $50 something. It might seem a lot, but she said to me, this one will last you for a long time. Try not to drop it on the ground to get it less sharpened, but this one, trust me, you can feel that it's doing something impactful to your ends. You don't want a scissor that is too cheap and not as sharp enough, because what's going to happen is that you may experience more split ends because it's not cutting your hair properly, so you're ruining your hair in the long run. So just invest in something great to begin. I'm pretty sure that you already know this while you are natural, is that you need a good silk bonnet and a great silk scarf, because you don't want the friction of your hair at night on your pillow. You don't want to wear this and you don't like something on your head. You feel like you're gonna sleep it off anyways. What you can do is definitely get a silk pillowcase, but we'll say that you need to wrap your hair every single night, so you do need that silk scarf. So get yourself some great silk or satin scarf, and also a great bonnet. So you can put on the scarf first and then put on the bonnet afterwards, and that could really help your hair to flourish because you have less friction in your hair. Relaxed hair does not like a lot of friction, so make sure that you have your silk bonnet and your scarf on every single night. Another one that you also need, which I'm sure you already know, is a great shampoo and conditioner. You need something that is very moisturizing, because relaxed hair needs a lot of moisture, and it's very imperative, especially for shampoo, that you get one that's very moisturizing, because if it's too drying, you could possibly break your hair off while you're washing your hair. You don't want something too dry and it has a lot of alcohol in it. So what I would say is to get the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, or if you're looking for something more affordable, Care and Motion, they do have great shampoo and conditioner set, so that's something to look into. I'm gonna close off this video with something else that is imperative, and what you need also is any hair serum or polisher of your choice. I don't use moisturizers. I have a video on that specifically outlining everything that I detest about moisturizing, why it's not for relaxed hair. What you need to do is wash your hair every single week. Make sure, as I stated before, that you use your deep conditioner. Once you do that, make sure that you use your hair serum every single day to maintain your hair for the next wash day. Remember, your hair is already moisturized from your conditioner, your deep conditioner, and your leave-in conditioner. So your hair already has all that moisture, so you just need to maintain your hair throughout the week. So this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this one meets your expectation. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next one, and all the best with your relaxing journey, of course. Bye.